Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to create this Christmas card in CorelDRAW. And yes, make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's get started. First of all, create a rectangle. Now fill it with a color and remove its outline. Next, apply a shadow to the rectangle. After that, draw a triangle and repeat the same steps as shown in the video. Now go to the Virtual Segment Delete tool and remove the unnecessary parts. Select the object and click on the Weld option. Use the Smart Fill tool and fill the shape. Choose a green color for the Christmas tree and remove the outlines. Next, draw a small rectangle. Fill it with a brown color and remove the outline. Select the green tree and keep it aside for a moment and remove the outline. Now adjust the brown rectangle properly as shown in the video. Apply a shadow and position it correctly. Go to the Star tool and draw a star. Fill it with color, remove the outline, and adjust it properly at the top of the tree. Again, draw another rectangle, fill it with color, and remove the outline. Duplicate this rectangle by holding Shift and dragging it. Increase its size to make a gift box. Copy the top rectangle, fill it with a different color, rotate it 90 degrees and position it as shown. Apply shadows to each object and adjust the gift box properly on the card. I already have a round shape, so I duplicated it. Now, Freehand tool and create the same design as shown. Give it a shadow and place it on the card as well. Now it's time to write the text. Take the text tool and type Merry Christmas. Select both words, change the font and color, and place them on the card. Make sure everything is aligned properly. Next, export this image and import it again. So I am pasting the same image here. Select the image, go to Effects, click on Custom, and choose Bump Map. A dialog box will open. Click on More, and you can apply the texture of any image you want. I have a black texture image, so I applied that. And here you can see the beautiful texture effect we wanted. Click OK. Now remove your old image and replace it with this new beautiful card. And yes, here we go. Thank you for watching. Keep learning with us.